Hello, boys and girls. It's me, Miss Abadi. I am here to help you with your 2-point constructed response, which means I am here to help you answer a question using evidence from the text in writing. And the text that we're using today is The Mysterious Tadpole, which hopefully you read yesterday. If you have not read it yet, you can read along with Miss Miller as she reads the entire story aloud, and you have this story in your orange book. Now, when we answer 2-point constructed responses, we always think to ourselves we need to answer the question, and then we need to prove it once and prove it again. So let's dig into the question and see what we can do. Okay, so here's the question that I'm going to answer, and you're going to watch and listen and follow along, and then you're going to have a question that you're going to answer on your own. So the question that I'm going to answer and you're going to follow along with is, why does Lewis need money to build Alphonse a swimming pool? Use 2 details from the story to support your answer. Okay, so I'm going to think about this. Why does Lewis need money to build Alphonse a swimming pool? Let's look back at this story. Well, I remember that Lewis, let me put my face right here. Lewis is this boy right here who got this tadpole from his uncle. And the tadpole's name is Alphonse. Here it says, Lewis named him Alphonse and promised to take very good care of him. So Alphonse is this tadpole who starts off in this jar. And then let's see what happens to Alphonse. Why does he want to build him a swimming pool if he lives in that jar? I don't know. Let's see. Okay, here he's in the living room kicking a soccer ball. I think here is when he went to school to learn how to sit. And then, oh, here we go. He's in the bathtub. Oh, he's definitely gotten bigger and bigger. And here he's in the bathtub. And then he gets even bigger. And then he is in the swimming pool. So, why in the world does Lewis want to buy him a swimming pool? Or does he need money to get a swimming pool? I think it's because he keeps growing and growing, and he grows really fast. So I think that's what I am going to start writing about, and that is actually my answer. Why does Lewis need money to build Alphonse a swimming pool? He wants money to build them a swimming pool because Alphonse needs room to grow. He grows so fast. So I'm going to restate the question by taking off these question words, why does, and then I'm going to start writing my answer. So here we go. Lewis, I'm going to look back at the question so I spell these words right. Lewis needs money to build Alphonse a swimming pool because, let's move that, because, now here's our answer, because he needs room to grow. I think I'm also going to add he grows fast. He needs room to grow and he grows fast. So that right there is my answer. Now I need to prove it. That's not good enough. I need to prove that he grows fast and that he needs room to grow. So I'm going to look back and I'm going to try to find where he starts growing. He hasn't started growing here. He hasn't started growing here. Although it does start talking about it here because it says Miss Shelbert was amazed to see how quickly Alphonse grew. I'm going to keep reading. Maybe it's because he only eats cheeseburgers, said Lewis. It's not going to help me. When Lewis became too big for his jar, Lewis moved into the kitchen sink. That proves it, that he needs room to grow. He became too big for his jar. Lewis had to move him to the kitchen sink. So I'm going to come back here and I'm going to add some proof to my answer. Let's see. In the text, comma, it says that Alphonse grew out of his jar and Louis needed, and Louis put him, I'll say, in the kitchen sink. Okay, let me read what I have so far. Louis needs money to build Alphonse a swimming pool because he needs room to grow. He grows fast. In the text, it says that Alphonse grew out of his jar and Louis put him in the kitchen sink. Okay, that proves he needed room to grow. All right, so I proved it right there in the text. There's my one proof. I need another one. So I'm going to go back into the story. This is where he grew into the kitchen sink. And I'm going to find some more evidence that shows that he grows fast or that he needs room to grow. Okay, he's out of control here. He goes to the school. Let's see. Oh, here's where he's in the bathtub. Let's see if I read this text. But Louis's parents were not pleased when Alphonse outgrew the sink and had to be moved to the bathtub. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Alphonse outgrew the sink and had to be moved to the bathtub. It's definitely more proof. So I'm going to come back to my answer here. And I'm going to put my face up here. And I'm going to type, let's see, in the text, I'm going to say it also states that Alphonse outgrew the sink and had to be moved to the bathtub. Huh. Okay, I proved it again. Am I done? Let's see. It also states, I proved it again. Let's see. I'm going to read this over, put my face down here, and see if I have everything. Why does Louis need money to build Alphonse a swimming pool? Let's see. Louis needs money to build Alphonse a swimming pool because he needs room to grow. He grows fast. In the text, it says that Alphonse grew out of his jar and Louis put him in the kitchen sink. It also states that Alphonse outgrew the sink and had to be moved to the bathtub. Definitely. I mean, I could even, if I wanted to, put a conclusion on here, I could, although I don't need to get a perfect score. I could say after the tub, after the tub, after the tub, Louis thinks to move him to a swimming pool. Bam. Even has a conclusion. Okay. Now, this is my 2-point response for this question. Why does Louis need money to build Alphonse's swimming pool? You are going to answer the next question. And this next question asks, why does Louis take Alphonse to obedience school? Okay, now you are going to find the answer to this question yourself, and you're going to prove it 2 times yourself. Okay, now I helped you start this question off. I took off these question words, why does, and I restated it right here. Louis takes Alphonse to obedience school because, and this is where you are going to write your answer. I restated the question, and you are going to find the answer. I'm going to help you for a moment. because obedience school was here on these pages, 388, 389, and 390. And obedience school is here where Lewis takes Alphonse. And I want you to read these pages and get the answer to the question and then get two pieces of evidence to prove your answer. Why does he take him to obedience school? Look back at through the text, try to spell the words correctly, and try to use complete sentences. Okay, boys and girls, I know you can do it. Can't wait to see your work. Remember to teacher and send it to your teacher. Bye.